So now let's start with question 7, definition. Now we have to write the definition of all the shapes. Now the first one, square. A square is a 2D shape in geometry. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. All its sides are equal. So let me show you the square. Now you can see this is a square and it has all the 4 sides equal. You can see this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So this is a square. Now the example of square are a handkerchief and a floor tile. So these are some examples of square. Now rectangle. A rectangle is a 2D shape in geometry having 4 sides and 4 corners. Its 2 opposite sides are equal. Now, what is the difference between a square and a rectangle? Well, in square, all the sides are equal, but in rectangle, only 2 opposite sides are equal. For example, over here, you can see this is a rectangle. Now, you can see the opposite sides are equal. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So, opposite sides are equal. Examples of rectangle are a national flag or a 100-rupee note. So, it is in the shape of a rectangle. Triangle. A triangle is also a 2D shape in geometry. It has 3 straight sides. So, you can see this is a triangle. It is a closed figure with 3 sides and 3 angles. Now, the examples of triangles are joker's cap or a temple's flag. So, you must have seen at the temple there is a flag. So, even that is the shape of a triangle. Some of your favorite snacks, that is the puff, is also a shape of a triangle. Now circle. A circle has no edges and no vertices. It has one curved line that moves around and stops at the starting point. So this is the shape of a circle. Now the circle starts from here and it stops over here. So, what is a circle? A circle is a curved line that moves around and stops at the starting point. Now, the example of a circle is a rupee coin or wheels. Even the wheels are circle. Cube. A cube is a 3D shape which has 6 square faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. So, now you can see this is a cube and it has 6 square faces. These are the faces 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 square faces and 8 vertices and 12 edges. And now the example of a cube is dice and ice cubes. A cuboid. A cuboid is a solid shape with 6 rectangular surfaces. So you can see this is a rectangular surface. It has rectangular surface. So it has 6 rectangular surfaces. Now the examples of a cuboid is a matchbox or a pencil box. Now cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D shape. It has 3 faces, 2 plane and 1 curved surface. On top and bottom of the cylinder, the plane face is in the shape of a circle. Example, talcum powder, logs, etc. Even the cylinders that come to your house for cooking, that is also in the shape of a cylinder. Cone. A cone has a circular base joined to a point by a curved side. So, this is a cone. Now, a cone is also just similar to a triangle. You can see it has 3 sides. This is one curved side and one over here. So, the example of a cone is a joker's cap and an ice cream cone. Now, sphere. A sphere has only one curved and no vertex and edges. Example, earth and orange. So, this is a sphere. Now, the top and the bottom is slightly flat. So, that is why it's called that the earth is a shape of a sphere. Now, the examples of a sphere is earth and an orange. If you see an orange, you will see that the top and the bottom is flat. So, it is the shape of a sphere. Now let's start with question 7b. name two objects of. So, a cuboid shape, we have to write two objects of the shape of cuboid. So, one can be a cupboard. A cupboard is in a shape of a cuboid, and a pencil box. Number 2, cylinder. So, a cylinder can be a talcum powder and a log. Number 3, cube. So, a cube can be a box, a dice. Then, number 4 is a football and the earth where we live in. So, these are some examples of the objects in the real life which you see. A cuboid will be a cupboard and a pencil box will be in the shape of a cuboid. A talcum powder box and a log is in the shape of a cylinder. A box and a dice will be in the shape of a cube, and football and the earth is in the shape of a sphere. So now let's start with question C, draw. So here you have to draw the shapes. Now square, rectangle, cube, circle, triangle, cuboid is given, and we have to draw the shapes. Now for example, the first question is square. So let's draw a square. Now always remember one thing, that all the sides in a square are equal. So if I am taking this 2.5, over here also I will take 2.5. Here also I will take 2.5, and here also I will take 2.5. So all the four sides are equal. Now the second question, rectangle. Now in a rectangle you can see that two opposite sides are equal. So we'll draw one over here line, and we'll go draw over here line, and we'll draw a line over here and over here. So you can see the opposite sides are equal. This and this is equal, and this is equal. Now the third question is circle. So I will take a help of a bangle or anything, maybe a water bottle cap, and I'll draw a circle. So this is a circle. Now I'll draw a triangle. Now you know that a triangle has three sides. So let's draw a three sides. 1, 2, and this is 3. So a triangle has three sides. Now cube. Now a cube is similar to a square. All the sides are equal. So first let's draw a square. A small square we'll draw. And then I'll draw another square inside the square. So this is another square I'm drawing like this. Okay. Now I'll join these lines like this. Now this looks like a cube. So this is a cube. Now the sixth question is a cuboid. So here I'll first make a rectangle like this, and I will draw another rectangle inside it like this. And I will join these lines. So this looks like a cuboid.